why 5 years before retirement is a critical milestone for us to do a checkpoint. Each one of us only get to retire one time. And it is quite a scary event of our life whereby we are moving or we are transitioning from the point whereby we are earning active income, maybe having 10,000 income, 15,000 income, or even 5,000 active income, to a point whereby officially you got no more active income. You got to figure out how much income that you need every month, and you got to figure out where those income come from. So does your FD give you enough interest? Whether you have a property, the yield rental. So it is a very big financial challenge for someone, especially if you do not plan at all. As it's quite a shocking moment, because every month, even though your active income do not come to you anymore, but your bill, your Maxis bill, TNB bill, some people even have like Netflix bill, this Amazon bill, all this bill, electricity bill, water bill, it will just continue. And for some, the insurance premium payment will still continue. So it is a challenging situation if you do not plan yourself well. So that's why it's important for us to plan 5 years or more. Then you said, me, why not 1 year, Mr. Yao, or why not 10 years? I guess when I say 5 years, because I think if we talk about investment has got some kind of cycle, a bull cycle, a bear cycle. So 5 years, I think roughly can be considered like one cycle. So if you find that whatever that you have saved so far is still not enough, you can still make a last dash, to save more and then to invest more, so that you, if possible, you can get your retirement fund, on track. And of course, when it comes to like insurance coverage, you may find that you're quite fit now. You can still do marathon. You can still do trekking. So if you review 5 years away from you retire, so then you are definitely in a better health condition to get a standard insurance coverage, whether it's a H&S coverage, whether it's a medical coverage, or whether it's a critical illness coverage. Rather than 5 years later, you may have some illnesses that insurance company either may reject your coverage, may even load extra premium on your insurance policy.